Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of DeLoreanTECH, and today we're going to be talking about which keys you can use for your DeLorean. First one up is the ilco X29 key. It's originally made for a Volvo and some obscure British cars. The V073 is a cross-reference number. This key works pretty well if you're just looking for a flat metal head key to use as a spare or maybe even a hide key. And the second one up is the Hillman Axxess Plus 51R key. So this is a good one for if you're looking for a rubber head key. This one right here, you could get this one pretty easily at Home Depot. However, I don't recommend trying to have Home Depot cut the key for you. I recommend going to a locksmith. But you can get the key at Home Depot, the 51R, for like $5. Again, it's the Axxess Plus. And both of these keys work really well. At the end of the video, I'll have a demonstration showing that they do work for starting up the car. And here's a comparison between the original DMC key and the two blanks that I'm recommending. You'll notice the middle one, the Axxess Plus, the grooves run all the way up to the neck. That's not a problem. It'll still work. The ilco is a little bit more similar to the DeLorean as far as where the grooves stop, but that doesn't really make it any better than the Axxess Plus key. Here's the ilco X29 before and after. So I just took it to the locksmith and they just made a duplicate of my original DMC, and here you see a comparison between the two. Obviously with the DMC key, I did not want to continue using that. That is the original one from 1981, 2, or 3. I decided it would be better to use a newer key and just keep the DMC key as a spare. Here's the Axxess Plus. As you can see, again, the grooves on the Axxess Plus key go all the way up to the neck. Again, this is not an issue. This won't affect how the key operates. It'll still work. And I guess if your locksmith has any issues, you can show them this video that this particular one does in fact work. So here's a test number 1 using the Axxess Plus 51R key. Gonna turn that on. And as you can see, it starts up the car fine. No problems there with the Axxess Plus 51R. Turn that off. Then we'll get our ilco X29. Go ahead and test that. Again, no problems with this key at all. Works perfectly fine. Starts up perfect. Alright guys, there you have it. These are the two keys I recommend. Thanks for watching.